Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. Uh, a very, very interesting morning. All right. Yeah, first thing that's kind of flagging my attention. I'm kind of locked in on NVIDIA a little bit right now. NVIDIA is the only thing holding up, but I'm not so sure it's gonna hold up, y'all. Not so sure. Hey, Chase, good morning. Skittles, good morning. Uh, Mahishu, good morning. All right, let me show y'all what I'm watching to start today. All right, so. Oh, I guess y'all can't like fully see, but like the community, good morning. All right, Jay Wells, good morning. Hey, y'all be sure to drop a like. But I was gonna say, first thing I'm seeing kind of starting out today, got some liquidity over here to be swept on NVIDIA. Should that play out? I'm seeing potential for like, oh, so I'm hearing sweep liquidity. Oh, let's come out over here and at least take out this low. So that's a potential play right there on NVIDIA. See if we can make anything happen with that. That might be. So we'll see if we get a cross right there. Lex, good morning. Fear and greed index 30. Okay. That means we might do a little bit more selling off today, and then the turnaround might be closer than we think. My stocks are bleeding red. Only Microsoft is saving my behind. Morning, Philip. So surprisingly, oh, okay, we're open. We're open. Let's see how we're doing. But surprisingly, I have like one of my portfolios, it's like barely down. I'm like, oh, it's only down like $100. And I think it was down like 80. I'm like, dang, that's surprising. Because I see how much everything else is down. I'm like, oh, Andy, good morning. Tommy, good morning. Uh yeah, Derive. Yeah, that's all I saw yesterday were the puts. I'm going to have to work my magic first 25 minutes. What is this magic you speak of? The community? Wonderfully summer. Good morning. Good morning. Hey, y'all be sure to smash the like button on the way in. Azure, good morning. Derek, good morning. Yeah, so we got the Dixie rising. We kind of got a little double bottom action over here on Nvidia as well. Once again, that's where the majority of my focus is going. They said, give me some magic. The community, we need you. All right. Now, what is this line I drew on Apple? What's this for? I don't know what I drew this line on Apple for. All right, Nvidia's going for it. Here, let's see. Let's see if we can get ready for him. All right, so here, let me take a look at Nvidia. All right, let's see if Nvidia goes through and does what I was intending for it to do. I'm gonna move to a five. Oh dang, there is that 200 EMA right there. Might have a little trouble with that. I think I have something similar charted on the Qs as well. Oh, also, just a friendly reminder. Market's closed tomorrow, so no live stream tomorrow. I'm not sure if it's tomorrow or the next day where we're supposed to. Somebody said we're apparently supposed to get like a foot of snow in Texas. So y'all know I might have to have a little snow day vlog or something. I don't know. Go outside, play in the snow. I know we don't get that in Texas. Amazon. I mean, I don't see too much going on with them. They're not one of the ones I like prepared for this morning. So I don't have too much to say about Amazon right now. That's a range. Oh yeah, we're still in this range. We're still bearish, so this is a range on Amazon. Yeah, we're still in this range right here. Yeah, we might need to like either maybe sweep this low or sweep this low. I don't know. We'll have to see. Mass 3DRC, good morning. Uh, Snow once every 10 years. Yo, I remember like I legit remember once in like I don't know, I was growing up and I remember a snow day in Texas. Yo, the snow was like up to my shins, like below my knees, and my feet were like stuck in the snow. I remember like going out with my friends and stuff and going out to there were like woods a street over from my house and yeah, going out in the woods and stuff. Facts, I'm gonna make a snowman. Yeah, I might just have to. I know it's not anything I normally post on this channel, but yo, I might have to have a snow day vlog, might go out, make a snowman, I don't know. Or, I may end up being an adult and be like, yo, it's cold, I'm gonna leave it alone. But I'm leaning more towards going out and building a snowman. Or the community trimming profits, allocating them into limit orders of higher prices. So I put in some limit orders for some wild things. Here, hold on. Trying to monitor and talk at the same time. Let me take a look at the list real quick. So just to anybody curious, Fubo. So yesterday before close, I actually sold out of that last 150 shares, or it was around like five. It was five something. I don't remember what it was, but it was before it closed. And I'm like, I put in an order for like, or a limit order for about 500 shares at $1.83, I believe. So that's something I'm watching for on Fubo. Or I'm not watching for, but that order is good for 90 days. And because I feel like that's going to be some like quick liquidity or something. That gap needs to be filled. Henry, good morning. Black and wild, top of the morning. Looking like another red day. It does, but hey, honestly, you'd be surprised. We'll see what the day has in store for us. Yeah, we'll have to see. Anything can happen in the stock market. Already up 35% on Nvidia puts. Hey, good stuff, good stuff. Honestly, the Nvidia puts, they hadn't even hit like what I was saying though, because I was saying there's some liquidity right here. Maybe we miss it. But that would be my perfect trade right there that I'm waiting and hoping for. So yeah, I think I got my alert set on this. Yeah, I got my alert set. Like if we come up here and it looks like it sweeps liquidity, but as of right now, if we kind of look at Nvidia, it looks like as of right now, there's kind of like this trend line going on a five. We'll see if it can hold right now. But while that's oh, okay, it's trying to break now. Maybe. We'll see. Could just be a wick. Palantir. Oh, I forgot about Palantir. I mean, Palantir's still holding up all right though. Let me pull up Palantir over here. It's still holding up. Did I get the 17th or did I get the let me see what contract I got on Palantir. Oh yeah, I got this. Wait, oh no, wrong. Oh, that's my options watch list. Where? Yeah, I got the 17th. Okay. Let's see. Lucky J, good morning. Let's see. Spy acting like a weenie, get back to 590. Here, let's zoom out on the spy. Okay, so one thing I kind of noticed on the spy, I like deleted all my charts and like kind of recharted things. I noticed we kind of have this what's this like a wedge pattern? Not a wedge or oh, we have this pattern going on the SPY. So we kind of have like semi-predictable supports. I feel like we may end up breaking soon and like falling down to this 475 level, but we're going kind of between these areas, is what I found on higher time frames. Let's see. I missed this though video. Hey, yeah, if it happens, Skittles, hey, we'll make it happen. Or yeah, I'll make that happen. Spent the day at the beach today. Hey, I don't even blame you. Surprisingly, I don't miss the beach yet. I like spent so much time at the beach when I was in Portugal. It's like it still feels like it was yesterday. That's like where I spent like the first half of next year. Dang. Okay. I want to reevaluate this NVIDIA because I was like, nah, the potential for what I said is still there. It looks like NVIDIA is like moving, but the potential, like I'm still like watching this right here. We could still come down again. So if Nvidia wants to come back up, I'm here. I'm waiting for it. I'm ready for it. I'm not too concerned right now. But this trend line did break. Okay. FOMC minutes today at 2. Hey, that is very true. I'm hopefully not gonna have anything to do with that except for like potentially buying shares. Honestly, I think right now would be a good time to just kind of go through the watch list and see what kind of I saw like a crazy amount of stocks with good pullbacks, um, like really good pullbacks, and I was like ready to buy some stuff this morning, especially like a lot of quantum type stocks, because I'm like, oh yeah, they're pulling back. But then I saw like I had a level in the chart, and I'm like, oh no, I was waiting for them to pull back even more. So I think they can still pull back some more, but these quantum stocks are starting to look better for like pickups as well. Oh, good morning, Nicole. 36 likers or lurkers. Feel free to become likers. 100%. eBay took off. Let's take a look at eBay. What's eBay think it is? Oh yeah, eBay is dang. Okay. Fact of the day, Meta platforms is testing a feature allowing users to view eBay. Oh, mm, okay. That would honestly be really nice because I have like when I was in Colorado, it used to be so easy for me to sell stuff on Facebook Marketplace, and I moved to Texas, bro. It's so hard to move stuff. All right, so eBay is moving, but I don't know, it's kind of moving at a pace that like I don't even know where to expect this to go. Dang, it's running. This might just be honestly its involvement with Facebook 70s. Here, let's see what the contracts are looking like. Oh, yeah, there's a lot of yeah, people are already like raising the price for their ask. So I'm not even here, let's see. Okay, I grabbed a $75 call on eBay that expires on Friday and I paid 17 for it. But just know that the bid and ask spread is very wide, so uh that's gonna be a weird one. So I just got in on eBay just 'cause hey, it's moving. But honestly, I don't know what's to come of that. Like I'm just watching that for now. That's just a little fun contract. This is like just 100% risk. It's already like way overbought, but I know the potential that that meta kind of brings. So yeah, I got in on that. But be careful with these contracts because there's is it's going to be very hard to actually it should be difficult to get in those. So all right, let's see. But yeah, good call out on the eBay. Or like just like thanks for bringing that to my attention at least. I don't know if anything will come of it, but I was willing to throw $17 at it. Let's see. So yeah, I'm still holding the Palantir call. Um, yeah, I'm holding the Palantir call. I feel like with the PC running up and the way things are, I feel like we're going to get like a huge buy up day coming up. Not necessarily just for Palantir, but for the market overall. And I think right as of right now, still have time to potentially come back for that. What did you think about a sell call on GEVO? So, when it comes to GEVO, I think it would come down to when you got it, because let me see. Let me see how much the options are even going for. I wouldn't think the options were too crazy on them. So I personally, I don't find it to be too worth it. Usually when I would like to sell a covered call is usually like whenever there is either like let's see, maybe the stock runs up a lot. Or maybe there's earnings and the premiums are worth more. But as of right now, I feel like the value of holding the shares is going to do more. It's like I might be more willing to sell puts than I am to sell calls on it. Because it's like when you sell puts right now, while the price is kind of low, there is I don't know. It's like you're getting paid to buy the shares, and then also people are paying more for puts, so you will get. It's kind of like getting the shares for a lower discount, or if the price ends up going up more, you make more money off of it. Hakeem, good morning. You said on the 5 minute on Palantir. Let me see. Here, we'll throw Palantir up here. We're not even paying it. 5 minute. If you're talking about this one right here, I would say yeah, that's a hammer. I mean, I'm not like too big in the to the like names, but yeah, I would say that's a hammer candle. Let's see. Where I might drop to 584. Yeah, that's a level right there. It's very well possible. I would say there's a good likelihood. I think it looks like we're trying to hold up this morning, but yeah. Tesla, let's take a look at Tesla. Tesla's up a little bit on the hold on, where oh hold up. Yeah, Tesla's up a little bit this morning. Look at it on the 1 hour. All right, so some things about Tesla. Tesla kind of has a downtrend going for it. So maybe it comes and retests. Let's set an alert for this $400 level. See how Tesla reacts in this area. Because if it wants to go bullish on that, then hey, Tesla can definitely like go on, continue to go on. But if not, then here, let me check in on this eBay. I see eBay still going. All right, so right now I'm up like 64% on those eBay calls. So yeah, shout out to who was it? Oh, Lucky J. All right. What's up, brother B? And Bills, good morning. I'm really thinking about buying Dell Dip. Hey, well, yeah, there's plenty of good stocks on sale. There is a lot of good stuff on sale right now. But I think these prices can get better. Oh, Nvidia, hold up. Nvidia is approaching where I was looking at for an entry. We'll see if that ends up playing out. Because if that happens, what I was watching on Nvidia was what was I looking at it? It would the trade would look something like you see, it would look this would be my ideal target. Yeah, should it play out, but it hasn't happened yet, so we'll see. Navitri Mash, good morning. Cassius, good morning. Do you think Friday's job data will be eventually? I think it will eventually. I don't follow too closely, but yeah, that's kind of what they've been doing. Feel like I have to have you on in the morning until I can do the same thing. Hey, I mean, yeah, it's a that's a good goal to get to a point where you feel comfortable charting on your own. Hey, that's what I'm here for, to help. Some people just like to have that extra person there, but also here to help you become the best you can be. Lucky Day up 6,000%. Hey, that's a 60x right there on your investment. How did you get into this, bro? I'm looking into it as well. When you say are you talking about stocks and options, or are you talking about the eBay thing? If you're talking about stocks and options, I dropped out of nursing school and did not know how I was going to make money. And then I went on to lose a lot of money in stocks. Or, well, I haven't lost. so much money, like when it comes to investing in stocks. But whenever I found out about options, I lost a lot of money. Took 50% on IWM, then lost my nerve. Going to see, hey, 50%, that's good. That's good. That's a good little return right there. Yeah, eBay trying to move. Okay. All right, Tesla said nope. The SPY still moving down too. If not Dell, I could double down on OKULR. So I had like I was looking at that too. Philip's conviction kind of got me on that one. I'm like, yo, I'm gonna have to get some of that. But I looked at it and I was like, oh, I still see that there is still a gap to this level. Let me be patient. Here, let me add eBay to the watch list so I can come back to that. But yeah, when it comes to KULR, let's see. Like, yeah, it's a nice pullback level. I had first started thinking about it at 350. Then I saw it over here this morning. And I was like, what was I waiting on? And it's like, oh, I have this alert at 173. So I was like, hey, yeah, let me wait till whatever uh, I saw over here happens. And then, that's when I'll strike. Lucky Jays, definitely killing it today. By the grace of God. Kerr looks fun. Is that a ticker symbol? Mm. Oh, that's a 4-hour chart. Let's see. Okay. Oh yeah, that's some good movement on the day. That's some real good movement. CL, good morning. You figure out the strategy to not lose. Not a strategy to not lose at all, but to win a lot. Trade high quality setups. Oh, hold up. Or buy low, sell high. Oh, dang. Okay, so QUBT is actually about to hit one of my levels. What is this? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I'm about to pick up some shares. I actually have a level below it, but yeah, this is like the demand zone over here. This is yeah. So yeah, just a heads up. I'm about to pick up 100 shares of QUBT in one of my portfolios. Let's see. I'm gonna put in a limit order. What level do I have this at? Let's go to a 15-minute chart. So I think it's at 923. Oh, I think something got filled. Oh, I got filled on 100 shares of QSI at 21 or 271. Let me put in my limit order for QUBT. Um, limit. What's the price? We'll go 923 and good till canceled. All right, yeah, picking up some quantum. Take it. See how eBay is moving. Okay, eBay is chilling a little bit. But yeah, we'll definitely take that. All right, let's see what's going on in the chat. Dorothy, good morning. How you doing, people? Let's make those millions today. Hey, let's get them. I think Lucky J is very well on the way to that. Said agree for a KULR. Spy looks like another day for shorts. Yeah, I'm still trying to I'm hoping this is my trade today. This is the trade I want to take. I'm trying to see if I get the entry for it. Been trying to come into these streams with plans because I feel like whenever I don't have a plan, it's it doesn't work out. Nunette, good morning. Law firm is investigating the following companies for potential violations of federal securities laws and/or breaches of fiduciary duties to shareholders relating to Fubo. My life be like, what does that mean? Like you said, the following companies, and you said relating to Fubo. Oh, okay, cool, cool. I mean, yeah, I got a order on Fubo down at if they fall to 183. We'll see about that. John picked up KULR at 128. I mean, that'd be nice. AMD is low. Yeah, AMD. Yeah, AMD is low. It can get lower too. I could see AMD pulling back as low as like the $100 range if things get nasty. But that's also if we come back. But yeah, it's like I looked at AMD on a weekly. Here, let's go to AMD real quick. Like I was looking at it this morning. And I still have my call by the way. But let's see. So looking on the weekly, we're still in a downtrend on the weekly on AMD. It's like we did kind of break out, and we very well. Oh, hold up, Nvidia's getting close to doing what I was looking for. Oh yeah, I'm in the red on AMD again. Yeah, Nvidia's trying to go for it. All right, let me see if I can pick a stop loss real quick, just in case this happens. All right, so my stop loss is not going to be way up there. Probably have it a little past 144. Bring it on down. Oh yeah. All right, so I'm grabbing a 140 put. I'm in like a little early, but I grabbed a 140 put. I paid 93. And my stop loss is gonna be up here, I'll make it 144.50. But here, let me share that with the Discord real quick. Give me a second. Where are we at? Let's say just grabbed and on the 10th, paid 193 per share. Stop loss. NVIDIA ads. What was it? All right. Oh, Nvidia's still trying to go for it. And maybe we rock it up. We'll see. Right now it's liquidity, or it could be liquidity. We'll see how the candle, or I guess the next two candles close because this is on a 5 minute. All right, so Tesla is crossing that $400 level as well. All right, let's see. Hold on 1 second. Lean in towards Dell before 11 a.m. This will complete my 20 stock portfolio. Nice. Really hoping for this Nvidia rebound before the end of this week. We'll see. This might be your kind of rebound right here, but I have this being liquidity. Right now is it's looking like it can go either way, but we'll see. It's like ideally this trade comes down to like 140 or close to it, but we'll kind of see. Watch out for falling knife. Having Thursday cut out doesn't help. Oh yeah, it does not. Where did you jump in on QUBT? I'm not sure I got in yet. I put my order for 9.23, $9.23 per share, but I'm not sure if it's fallen to that yet. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's fallen to that yet. All right, so as of right now, Nvidia is doing, let's go back to a five. Kind of doing what I would like it to do, like for it to do. We'll see. This is intended to be a day trade though. Where's that contract at? So it's around 5%. Where's okay. You think I should get a quantum call? Me personally, I'm more with buying the shares because I don't know when these are going to move. All right, so Tesla is currently moving above this level. We'll see how it reacts at the trend line, or if it makes it to the trend line. That could be a all right level for a short, or if it breaks past that, hey, it could be time to go in on calls. All right, let's see. Yeah, I really want to buy my position down on KULR. Rubbing hands on Nvidia. Oh shoot, okay. Nvidia trying to do something. Okay, let's see if we can get past this first EMA. Up 17%. See if this trend holds up or not. Let's see. How long do you spend every morning doing your charts and research before open? So when it comes to like this Nvidia trade, this is something I would look at like probably like 15 minutes before open, but it's like I'll do a watch list and stuff. It doesn't take long to actually do, but it's like putting it on the internet and sharing it, that takes longer than I'd like for it to. But I understand not everyone can just go and do it. But ideally, like when it comes to scanning things, it's like if you want to look at everything, the more things you want to look at, the longer it's gonna take. But when I'm looking for stuff, I can just like it. I would say it doesn't even necessarily take 15 minutes. I just would like to see it 15 minutes before it really kind of happens. All right, we're up 18% on Nvidia. This is a potential place to take profit just because it's kind of at that EMA, but it's on the 5 minute. But this is also a day trade, so it's like if you took one of these every day, that's good money. All right, we're at 20% on that Nvidia put. All right, we're at what's up, 24%, 31%. Let's see if this plays out to be like good actual sweep of liquidity. Okay, we're moving on. 35%. And I'm not ignoring y'all's comments. It's just like with the day trades, gotta watch them a little closer because things just happen so fast. Like next thing you know, there's like a big candle up or something. All right, 38%. All right, 40%. All right, we're at that next EMA. So honestly, right here, great place to take profits at 43%. But I'm trying to trust my charting and I don't see a reason to necessarily get out. So we're gonna keep riding it for now. All right, so it's trying to come up a little bit, maybe come fill in that gap. See, okay, it's coming below. Okay, let's go. Up 57%, 65%. All right, it's going. Bring it on down. Honestly, yo, this could keep going, but I'm cool with 65%. I'm gonna just cut out right here. But it's likely to keep moving. All right, so it's still moving. It's going to the target. But yeah, I cut out. I'm share that with the family real quick. Let me try to get a quick screenshot. It's like the later I tell the family, they'll probably get a little bit more profit than I did, but let's see. Real quick, real quick. Let's go to a 5 minute. There we go. Throw that chart in on the Discord too. All right, cool. Yeah. So anybody who like held that to now, they probably took over 100%. But yeah, hey, that's my trade for the day. All right, let's see what's popping in the chat. All right, rubbing hands on Nvidia. Hey, that was some money right there. It could keep going too. All right, let's see where. Hold on, I missed some comments. I'm trying to go back in and get them. Hey, if y'all took that trade though, hey, y'all be sure to smash the like button. Hey, get the. I see 106 people on stream. We got 47 likes. Be sure to smash the like button. All right, SPY still has gap to spend fill between. Yes, that is. I mean, it may not happen today, but it's likely to happen. Hold up, I got another. Okay, so QUBT is crossing. So I probably just picked up 100 shares of it. So yeah, QUBT. I just picked up 100 shares of QUBT. Oh, look at Nvidia, it's still going. I would say below if Nvidia comes below 140 or breaks below this line, next level is going to be 139. So that could definitely go further. I just only have one contract, and I'm trying to do more to lock in my wins than like just trying to be greedy. Let's see. Ah, Maya, I'm sorry. Sorry, dang. Fubo was pushing up. Let's see. Do a quick look at Fubo real quick. Fubo that it is trying to push up a little bit. All right. Nvidia hit the target. All I heard was 140. So I got like a 140 put on Nvidia. Um, BFRI. Let's see. Dang. So it just came in and filled the gap. I'm being really careful on quantum. I took my profit from Rigetti. People are starting to realize slowly that quantum is very valuable, but still far from being useful in every day. Yeah, yeah. I'm glad you're like realizing that though. It's like I'm trying to like I want to take my profits and put my profits in. Oh, dang, Rigetti. Oh my goodness. Major pullback. I think I got a level on this. Let's see. Oh yeah, Nvidia is probably it's probably coming down to that 139 at least. All right. All right. Hold on. A little distracted. Hold up. Okay, I'm really being okay. Was that a 140 put? Yeah, it was this week. It was Nvidia. Dang, SPY was recovering calls. Don't look bad. Are you getting a call or put for? I bought shares for QUBT. Uh, to be quite honest, I'm probably done like buying contracts today, but we can still like chart and look at things. I can watch list some things. Let's get it. You mind looking at Dell for, yeah, yeah. Let's take a look at Dell. Oh wait, hold on. Real quick before we look at Dell, I want to RGTI. Yeah, I was liking this $8 level. Or actually, nah, let's slide that down. Yeah. All right, so yeah, we can take a look at Dell. So here, let's see. All right, so taking a look at Dell. Wait, you asked here, let's see. You mind looking at Dell for so this looks like a possible entry for like a solid swing trade right here. We got a 4 hour demand. We're selling off kind of hard. And yeah, I would say anywhere down to this 115, anywhere from this like 117 to 115 level, that looks like a solid entry. Let's see what it looks like on the 1 hour. Oh, so I would say honestly, like optimally, if it comes back up, it would be like probably eh, maybe a pullback, maybe like a 115 level would probably be the most optimal. But that would be my kind of buy level. There are going to be some other zones. Like there's also like this 117, you might see a small pop or it could rip through. There's a tiny gap fill down to 116, but ultimately if it comes down to this 115, that looks best. Let's see. Ouch. Oh, hold up. Where'd it go? Oh, I keep trying to read these messages, but it keeps jumping out. Do you have a tutorial on how to chart before the market opens? Not exactly. I mean, we could that could be something. That could be something though. I might do that I might do that for all the members and stuff. How far out do you trade your options? It depends. Like today was a day trade, so I just went for Friday. But I like to swing trade things too, so I'll try to go for like 2 weeks. Like I'm currently in a call on Palantir. I didn't get this Friday, but I got next Friday. Cassius, let's eat. Sadia, good morning. Yeah, man, I should have been patient. Thought for sure it was gonna at least bounce. I'm sorry I missed that. What were you in? What did you cut out of? Oh, it was NVIDIA. Uh, appreciate that, Brian. Got out great. I would like to see that video also. I didn't your play call out, but I'm driving. Hey, I'm glad to hear it. Hey, glad to hear you say, Derek. We missed Palantir. But yeah, honestly, there's always going to be like 1,000 plays we miss. But hey, we can just. I try to just focus on what's right here in front of us, what we can actually take advantage of. Let's see. IWM. I feel like IWM's been consolidating in the hold up it. Oh, it's still in this weekly demand. I thought I thought it broke below. Like I saw it below 220. I'm like, oh shoot. But honestly, anywhere from like I guess like upper 216, so about just below 217 and this 224 level, we're still playing around in this weekly demand zone on IWM. So like right now it's like if it comes to 217, that's like a semi-strong buy for me with the stop loss probably at let's see, probably a little probably like 213.50, assuming I'm getting like multiple weeks on that. Let's see. Yeah, just lost a ton of money on the Nvidia call. Finally exit if it's gonna behave like this. Yeah. Nvidia, like to me, like looking at it, like if I had to take it like my perspective, I do feel like it's a semi good level to buy a call, but still like looking at what I was looking for yesterday, I was looking for it to come to this 139 level before it kind of takes off. So ideally, like you notice it's still holding this trend line right here, but I'm looking for like maybe like a wick down into here before going up. Hold on, let me before going up and like taking out this high. So I think, once we come in here and do something, there is a potential for that right there. Kind of looking at it, I think there might be some liquidity. This is based off the 4 hour. Oh no, hold up. There might be. Here, let me go to 1 hour. Oh no, the 1 hour. Oh, hold up. 1 hour is a little confusing. There might be a little potentially some. Yeah, there might be a little liquidity at this 138.55 level, maybe. And if there is, maybe look for something more like that potentially. But right now, yeah, Nvidia is just trading in a range right now. Thoughts on sound? Sound has wiped out my portfolio since 27. Oh, here, let's take a look at sound. So next level of support, I would say is around like $14. Or actually starting at the this 14 to $15 range. But you see I still have like, oh, there are unfilled gaps on the 4 hour to like this $8 level. So that's kind of where I have my alert at for it. And I'm kind of just waiting for that. You are the go for that 140 out just started day trading. Hey, nice, nice. How does VWAP help on charting? So the VWAP is so it's the volume weighted average price, and what it's going to do is if you look at all any indicator or like the majority of indicators, they're going to be the average or something. And typically, whenever I don't know, things like to be balanced. Like whenever things kind of skew to one end, like on the RSI, whenever you're overbought, it'll be up here. Whenever you're oversold, you'll be down here. But whenever it's kind of balanced, it's in the middle. The VWAP is going to be that line that kind of goes through the middle of kind of like the volume traded and like the price, the average price of that volume being traded. So kind of similar to the VWAP whenever things get kind of extreme, uh, or similar to the RSI whenever things get extreme, the VWAP is going to be kind of a good area to, it doesn't always happen, but expect the price to come back to. So if we turn the VWAP on here, let's look at the SPY. Let's see. Let me kind of clean this up a little bit. And yeah, usually I just look at the center line. All right, but oh, and all right, so looking at the VWAP, the stock will typically like kind of hover or hug the VWAP. Usually the further away from the VWAP it gets, the more likely it is it's going to come back to it. So it's like, oh, we got kind of far away over here, came back, kind of bounced off. I don't know. The VWAP's not anything I necessarily like plan my trades off of, but it's like the VWAP is something good to. Oh, hold up. The SPY is. Yeah, the VWAP is something good to, like, if you notice we're far away from it, the VWAP can be a good target to shoot for sometimes for extreme moves. Like, in the end of the day, if the VWAP is up here at 587 and we got like, I don't know, an hour left and we're over here at 584, there's a good chance. It's not a 100% chance, but there's a good chance we're going to make some sort of move in that last hour from 584 to return to the VWAP. All right. While Trump just jolted the markets with his tariffs, thoughts on SoFi? So SoFi is not performing like how I would have thought it would have, like coming into the year. But oh dang. All right, so I'm losing out on that eBay. I'm just gonna like hold it, but where's SoFi at? SoFi, there are a lot of inefficiencies and there's still gaps that need to be filled in. So as of right now, there was a point I was looking at leaps. Right now, it's something I'm dollar cost averaging into every day, but like just looking at this chart, there is a point SoFi needs to come back to at least like, or at least like 815, or if not like 840 at the least. So really right now with SoFi, it's like I'm buying a little bit every day, or I'm buying like $5 of SoFi every day, nothing crazy. But SoFi needs to pull back, and I'm not going to try to time it. Yes, please do that video live charting prior to market open. Congrats on that Nvidia trade. Appreciate that. I prefer monthly options, more expensive, but I feel you, Luigi. Yeah, it's like that's the harder part is the more expensiveness, the more the price. But yeah, I prefer it too, but I don't always have that in the budget. So yeah, I have to like also learn for lower things. And like you see, like this live stream is called like $100 options trades or whatever, or live option swings with $100. Um, I guess today's wasn't so much a swing, it was more of a day trade, but it's like I'm usually looking for $100 or less contracts on this stream. Henry, what did I miss? Think we took a put on Nvidia, made some money. Her paying. How's that moving? Where'd you get in, Brian? I think Nvidia is going. I think Nvidia could go lower too. It looks like if we take a look at Nvidia, we do have we got a good little downtrend going. This is a 5 minute though. Go to like a 15. The day is still young with Nvidia. Let's just say that. Check out Verizon. And Verizon's in a downturn. I don't really see much aside from like, yo, it's continuing its way down. Looks like it's approaching like a larger area of support. So like this is a honestly, what this is really old. Yeah, but it looks like it's approaching. So there's a lot of support at this $38 level. So that's something to look at with Verizon. Like from like 350 to 38, there's a lot of support there. So, should it kind of do what it's done, that's a good area to kind of buy upside if you're looking at Verizon. It's probably looking like good day for puts. Honestly, yeah, they're making it easy right now. Main thing I'm paying attention to, you got this PCE rising. Once that gets high enough, it'd be a good time to buy a little time and get some puts or get some calls. All right, let's see. Apple. What happened with Apple? There one I had on my list. They're still trading in that range from my watch list, I believe. I don't think anything happened. Did I put them on my watch list today? Yeah, they're still like pretty much right in that range. I mean they're a little above. Let's see. Think okay, so this should be like all right. So they did kind of get above that line a little bit. Nothing too crazy going on though. To me, so the volume's kind of low. It's like underwhelming. It is above the here. Let's go to a 15 minute. I would say on the 15 minute, yeah, Apple looks more like a buy, honestly. So yeah, it did break that level and it kind of came and retest. So yeah, Apple looks like a buy. Yeah, it looks like a little slow mover. Or actually, it looks like it's moving a little faster. All right, so next level is 43. Uh, yeah, gonna be then like 243.40, 244, then 245. Yeah, so just take it level to level. Let's see. Bought S&P on Monday and it keeps dipping. Uh, if you're holding it long term, yes, it will get better. Like the longer you hold it, yes, it'll get better, but it could continue to get worse for some time. Like if you're trying to make some quick money from it, it's probably going to hurt you, but like say you hold it over a span of a year, it's probably going to do better. Like the longer you hold it, and if you continue to average into it, you'll be up on it. But yeah, it's like the S&P is like pretty much at all-time highs. So it's if it's just like a one-time buy, it's going to be tough on you. When you swing trade and you're looking at the 1 hour and the 4 hour time frame, are you looking for an uptrend? Depends. Most of the time, I like to trade uptrends. That's going to be my preference. But ultimately, like sometimes if I see like an obvious trend, like if say like if we're looking at the SPY, say, oh, we have a level of resistance to the upside like this, and we have like, I don't know, there's like a something like this to the downside. If there's something like clear and obvious like this, and it's like, oh, we buy up here, or we started here, bounced here, and then it's like, okay, right here, I recognize, okay, there's a trend. And then this is like, oh, this is a strong trend. And now I see, oh, every time we come up here, we sell back down to the line over here. It's like if I see something this obvious, usually it's on a higher time frame. I wouldn't do this on the 5 minute, but if I see something this obvious on a higher time frame, If we're up here, I will buy a swing targeting the lower line of that trend. So it doesn't always necessarily need to be in an uptrend, but it's like usually it's a little bit easier to find stuff in an uptrend. Let's see. Clinton, what's up? You said, what's the good word today? Or word, good word to you. What's your thought on the spy? I have a so I'm feeling kind of bearish on the spy. Matt. Like just looking at what I drew here, kind of expect to sell off from here. If it breaks out through here, may see it run up to like just below 590 again. But as of right now, I'm kind of bearish. And if we were looking for an exit on a put, it would probably be more towards the bottom side of this. All right. Roku trying to take. Okay, let's see what's up. It's been a minute for Roku. What's this, a 50 minute? Yeah, Roku's up. Oh, $5 on the day. That's kind of wild. That's kind of wild. Listen now. Okay, we got. Okay, so Roku is trying to like. Here, let me add this to the list. Yeah, that's a green one today, up 6% when the market's selling off. Well, let me take a quick look at QBTS. That's selling off hard. Oh yeah, I might have to grab some of that at 422 as well. Maybe lower. We'll see. Also want to take a look at Ion Q. Oh dang. Yeah, what was that? $55 yesterday. That is, ooh, this might be a good little scoopy scoop. Oh. Did you take some profit? Yeah, I took the last shares I had on Fubo I actually sold out on yesterday at it was it was five something. Like I had 150 shares left. I was like, let me go ahead and take profit on these. And if we look at Fubo, I think I put in some order. I put in an order for like 500 shares at 180 or $1.83. So if it comes back there in the next 30 or 90 days, I'm picking it up. Spy have a head and shoulders. What time frame are you? I feel like I vaguely see one. Let's go to a 15. Honestly, on a 15, it looks like it might be a double bottom. Let's look at a 10. You might be able to say it. I would say if it is a head and shoulders, it's kind of ugly, but it's possible. Dell hovering at 118. I like the 117. Hey, yeah, stocks they speed up and they slow down. They don't always just consistently move. Whenever you swing trade, what time frame do you? Oh wait, do you live trade every day? Yes, but I won't be live tomorrow because the market is going to be closed. But yeah, I live trade a lot. Whenever you swing trade, what time frame do you look at when you are looking for? Ideally, the 4 hour. SPY is still in the gamble zone. It needs to break 586 for puts and five. Let me look at what I had my levels being this morning. A wrong chart. I had 586 for puts, so yeah, we're kind of like right there. And then maybe I was being more lazy, but I had like 590 for calls. You said 580. Wait. Yeah, so mine was before the market opened though, so I guess it's a different story for you and I. Let's see. Go all in. I expect a full house. D Defra. I'm assuming you're talking about on the position. That sounds kind of wild, man. I'm not sure if that's a joke or if you're a troll, but I do not like to associate myself with that level of risk. I don't know. It's like as I spend more time on this earth, I gotta display a little bit of wisdom. So yeah, my thing is never go all in. Never bet the whole farm. It's like when you're younger, yeah, you can do that. But it's like now I got other people depending on me and whatnot. So let's see. Goodness, we may trend upward. I might expect my fate at. And let's take one more look at Dell. Oh, you must be looking down. You must be looking on a lower time frame. I mean, as for now, it's still trending down. Like this is just a pullback. Like on the 15 minutes, look like it could pull back as high as like 119.80. But yeah, as of right now, it's just a pullback. Let's see. Uh, okay, curve ripping. All quantum tank. Thanks, Jensen Wong. Hmm. I need to see honestly, I need to like inform myself on what fully happened. Anyone get in on that curve call out? Take another look at it. Oh yeah, that thing moving. What price you get in at, Brian? Got in on Nvidia 139 call January 17th. I probably I would have personally waited for that. I don't think that was the best entry in my opinion, but it's like it could move. I just think there's a better entry to come. You just have to be patient for it. Um, so far I put, I would love to talk to you. Where is the best place to reach you at? Honestly, I would say Instagram. Let me drop my like shoot me a DM. It might take a moment for me to see it. Like I don't have my I keep my notifications off, but I like check my DMs every day. Let me just that's the link to my Instagram. Sergeant Boss Hog, what's up, family? What platform are you trading on? Okay, you got it at 336. Good stuff. So this is TradingView. Yeah, this is TradingView. This is what I like to chart on. SPY, the only thing I have today. So I have Palantir. I think that's going against me. Yeah, that's very much going against me. SPY is looking great to the downside and took something on Nvidia. I'm done for the day, other than like picking up shares at good levels. Um, say me in the chat if you hit that like button. Hey, Hakeem is watching y'all. Y'all be on the lookout. If you don't say me in the chat, hey, Hakeem might have to do the boot. I will be more patient. I'm not the best with the charts. I like making trades. BTW open. BTW. Is that by the way open or B? You're gonna have to tell me what BTW means in that situation. Bears are in charge of, they're in charge of the majority of things today. Not Kerr though. What about an entry? So as of right now, the entry for the put on Palantir, I would say it already kind of occurred, but no, yeah, honestly, right now it's at a level of support. So ideally, you would get like some kind of pullback before you got a entry. So 4 hour entry on a put for Palantir, you either be looking up here at almost 80 or at this 13 EMA up here at 72.50. If you're looking on the 1 hour, next level of supply going to be up here at like kind of from 75.50 to 76.30. And then it's like you also have this 69.20 or $73 area. Just kind of depends on your level of patience. It's like from here or up here, you will get better moves. It'll be more worthwhile if you're trying to actually trade options, but it's like otherwise it's not so much worth it. All right. All right. Okay. Yo, I see y'all. I see y'all in the sharing. Okay, I will let you finish up your stream first. Appreciate that. What do you think about Fubo entry on call? So me personally, I'm still like I am kind of against entry on Fubo for calls right now. It's like it could go up, but I am still watching for Fubo to come down. So as of right now, an entry for calls, it doesn't really seem like the best idea to me. So here we are on the, yeah, right now it's technically in a downtrend too. The current range on Fubo, I would say is from right here. And right now, yeah, right now we still need more information before we could even say where the entry for puts is. I mean, actually, you could take an entry for puts at like this 571 level potentially. But yeah, still right now it's too early to say for calls because, or actually, I mean, ideally the if you did have opportunity for calls, your entry would have been anywhere below this 587 line. So Rhonda, good morning. Bro, do I hold my 142 call I have till the 17th? Honestly, that's gonna come down to you. It's like it very well could like come and take that out, but it's like, are you willing to wait for it to do that? It's like, do I think it'll be above 142 by that day? Yes, I personally do, but it's like also while it's taking its time to get there, if it doesn't like while it's taking its time, you there's gonna be data eating at your contract. It's gonna be losing value just because it's not moving. It's like I personally am not in love with the idea of calls until it comes down below this like 138.50 level, and that's when I would expect it to go up. But it's like if you're down to like ride through that, Hey, it's like it could happen, but it's also possible it could go to 142. Like, do a quick visit real quick before coming down. But you have to assess your situation and your risk tolerance and whatnot, and come to the decision on your own. How do you sign up to day trade on Robinhood? Uh oh, okay. I think I have a think I have a what is it? Oh yeah, I have a video. Let me try to find the video on how to do it. I have like a YouTube short. Trade options. All right, so here, let's see if I can. All right, so I don't know if this is exactly what you're looking for, and that's going to be how you can trade same day. I'm not sure if you're looking for same day, but Dorothy, that link is going to be able to like if you don't see same day or 0 day to expiration contracts on Friday, or if it doesn't let you, that's going to be one thing. If you some other things that you may be looking for. Oh, hold up. We got a little breakout on the SPY. The SPY might go up more. So we might have some upside. I don't know. But some other things, another video may be how to switch to a cash account. But essentially, you either want to have a cash account if you're trying to day trade every day, or you want to, if you're trying to, it just depends on what you're trying to do. If you give me more details, I'll let you, I can probably help a little better. I missed I missed the pool, brother. So don't spies. It looks like it might short term, it might come back up to like 590, possibly if this isn't a fake out. Let's go to a 15. Yeah, we might come retest the high because it looks like we got a double bottom right here. So first it'll test like 590, I guess, and then it might come back and try to come to this high at 590.80. After my Fubo cover call at 150 will get executed. Jensen said quantum computing won't. Oh, interesting. Wall Street plays games. Spy may be in called territory now. Okay, so Jensen said quantum computing won't be interest or won't be useful for 20 more years. Hopefully he's off with his timing, but if if he's not, I guess I'll have to make money elsewhere. Wall Street plays game to 100%. That is what they do. Spy may be in call territory now. Yeah, it looks like they're trying to break out right here. So yeah, it's very well possible they could be. It's possible this could be liquidity, but it's possible that should I buy that back? So you had a covered call. Are you trying to sell your shares? It's kind of gonna have to. It's kind of gonna have to. It's kind of gonna be dependent on what you're trying to do. You say yes, you have a YouTube video for that. That's how I started. I just didn't buy the course you recommended. Did I recommend a course? RR News. What is RR? Rich Tech Robotics. What's the news here? Let's see. Let me move this out of the way. What's going on with Rich Tech Robotics, Lucky J? Oh, same day. So yeah, Dorothy, that video is going to kind of walk you through. It's just like a little setting you have to turn on. You made money for me to have fun. So I think you're all I need for pass. Oh, good stuff. Good stuff. Dorothy, are you in the US? In the US to day trade, we are required to have a minimum of 25K in our account. Thank you. All that said, me. Oh, yes, thank you. All that said, me. I'll just be patient then. I'll DM you with the details. I think it'll be sooner than that. For quantum computers, I would say 5 to 7 years for the basic ones. Is anyone in the chat in Alabama? Yeah, that's a good question. I'm not sure I've seen anybody say they were from Alabama in this chat before, but if anyone is, please let yourself be known. All right, so yes, thank you. Detroit. I'm in Arizona, Raleigh, North Carolina, Detroit, Michigan. New to the channel, hoping to get better at trading. North Carolina, okay. Hey, we got somebody from Alabama. Hey, good stuff. Good stuff. Two Alabamians. I'm not sure if that's what one would say, but okay. Amaya and Lucky J from North Carolina. I heard there's a Detroit in Alabama. We got a Paris in Texas. I was born and raised in Alabama, but I live in Grand Prairie. Hey, you're not too far from me, Derek, Huntsville, Alabama. Lee, Huntsville. Okay. All right, so okay, we got some Alabamians. I'm not sure that's the proper terminology, but hey, we got it. All right, so see everyone voted red day on the. I visited Texas once. I was in Galveston. I think I've been to Galveston like once. I guess you were out at the beach, right? Jacksonville, Florida. Yeah, I've been to Jacksonville. You said it was great. Northwest Florida. I was like, what is NWFL? That's what I'm assuming NWFL is. Northwest Florida. If not, I'm lost. Georgia, yup. I was there for a conference and then went to Dallas and had some food from Lockhart. Oh, I hadn't had Lockhart. I might have to put Lockhart on my list though if you liking it like that. Because I'm out here right now and it's like I know the last chat recommendation out here for food was hey, it was fire. Lin Win, let's work. So I filled the limit order for color KULR 50 shares for a 150 nice discount. It got filled? Here, let's see. Oh, okay. I was about to say I was gonna go to a 4 hour. Yeah, if we want to pull back. So all I'm gonna say is this, when it comes to the when it comes to quantum and you see everybody selling out right now and being fearful, right now, it's like, yeah, we saw it run up like crazy. We saw a lot of hype. We see things going on. And I just bought QUBT and now, hey, I'm down on it. It is what it is. But it's like, yo, Warren Buffett, hey, be greedy when or yeah, be greedy when others are fearful and fearful when others are greedy. It's like, of course, yeah, don't buy the highs, but there were a lot of people talking to me about QUBT, RGTI, and all this stuff way over here. And it's like we got one guy's opinion. We got and Jensen Wong, don't get me wrong, he is like, yo, he's been dealing with the chips forever. He's also like a large figure in like I don't know the chip space and whatnot. And he says, "Oh, this won't happen for 20 years." I know he's seen a lot in his life, and I know that like he's headed the company that is like essentially the most innovative when it comes to like making the chips and everything. But every generation, it kind of comes where there is oh, you get a new generation, it's like people he says one thing and it's like there will come a day when he is no longer the most innovative or no longer leading the most innovative company and there is a new voice. There's a new younger voice with, I don't know, more that's more innovative and their voice may have more value. They may have found something that he didn't find and there may be like, yo, I actually think it could happen by this point in time and this is why. Maybe they see things a little differently. And it's like all it takes is one visionary to really kind of see things to kind of accelerate it. So it's like him saying 20 years, that very well could be true, but me, or I guess the optimist in me has to believe like, yo, there is going to be some sort of visionary that comes along and tries to accelerate that process and really get things going. So it's like, eh, I'll take this opportunity. It's like every time I buy a stock, I'm like, yo, what were the people who bought Apple when it first came out? Like, what did they think? The people who bought Meta in early days, the people who bought Tesla when it first came out, like, yeah, what were these people thinking? They had all this time of sideways trading. It's like, yeah, I'll get in on it. All right, Skittles Jensen. So if you kind of said 15 years for very useful computers, that probably be on the early side. If you said 30 is probably on the late side. If you picked 20, a bunch of us would believe it. Divine Houston sent you a DM. Hope that. Here, let me check out this DM. Let's see. All right, I see the DM. Okay. So the contract. Okay. contract is worth. Me personally, I would just let it go. But another thing, just so you know, like if you really want to hold on to your shares, something you can do is you can buy another, like if you buy a call contract, you can buy that same call contract back, or you can buy, oh, you can either buy a contract below it and kind of get the difference. So you can buy a $1 call and get the difference, or you can buy a call above it and buy the $2 call and pay the difference whenever it happens. So it's like there's a lot of ways that can be played, but ideally, like if I were in that situation, I would just leave it alone and see what happens. The expiration date is, oh, it's on the expiration date is, when's the contract expire? Oh, for the 10th. Okay. Oh, for me, I would probably just let it go. It's like I would it's like I would let it go and like learn from it. I used to drive through Mobile, Alabama on the I-10 between Louisiana and Florida, getting ready to reload on curve. A wrong curve. Yeah, that's some good movement you have, man. That quantum innovator will probably be NVIDIA in 5 to 10 years. I mean, honestly, yeah, honestly, probably will be. NVIDIA is definitely a cyclical stock. So it's like if you look at NVIDIA, here, let's see. Oh, we got NVIDIA up over here. If we really zoom out and look at NVIDIA, NVIDIA has like periods where we may have to like super zoom out, but NVIDIA, it kind of has these like periods, it'll move up and then it'll kind of like pull back. Then, there's some new innovation, move up. Okay, there's some sideways movement. So I guess this is still all a move up, then pull back. And then now we're in that period where it's like move up. I wouldn't really call it a pullback. We're still moving up. But yeah, we'll probably have some sort of pullback once things kind of chill out. It may take a couple years for us to like pull back and chill out, but we'll probably have some pullback too. What's your entry for NVIDIA call next week? Or I don't have, there's no guarantees I'm gonna take one, but if I do, it would be after it comes to this like 138.50 level. But honestly, you just kind of have to see. It's like if I have it, like if I can do it when it happens, it's like, yo, I'll do it. But right now, it's like we'll see. Have you ever done options? No, I haven't done options on it. I've bought it and like traded it, but no, I have not bought it. VRME. Oh, morning fan, how you doing? I'm doing all right today. We doing all right. Really just sitting here chilling now. Let's see, VRME. Oh dang, yeah, that's taking off. Oh, it's crazy how these just like get bought up out of nowhere. I would ride that, but I don't have the day trade in that account or the day trades in that account. So I'm gonna just watch it, let it go. But yeah, it looks good. Baba is setting up pretty nice for a put. What do you think? I have a hard time with these China plays. Um, yeah, I don't honestly I don't have like too strong of an opinion just because first off I see a gap to be filled up to this 84 level. It's like this these are ones I have a hard time trading. Anything China. I'm back, brother. What's the next look on the SPY? So as of right now, here it still looks like it's just here, let's go to a five. On a five, it looks like it's like slowly trending up like this, but we'll see kind of how it does. But it kind of like it's kind of breaking out of the channel. It looks like it wants to go up. But honestly, this time of day, it's kind of lunchtime, things kind of slow down, and it's like this middle of the day kind of time frame. This is like less ideal, or this I wouldn't say middle of the day, but it's like less ideal for trade. Usually, it's like the first couple hours where you get all the movement. Yeah, I don't, but yeah, when it comes to Baba, I have nothing to really. This doesn't move really a way that I can really say. Because the only thing that would make me consider grabbing a put if we break this trend line right here below like I guess 81, it's like oh maybe it can fall to 70 or over here to like yeah, maybe it could fall to like 70 or something. Rich people stay rich by living like they're broke. Broke people stay broke by living like they're rich. Hey, 100%. Do you have a position on Palantir? I'm thinking. Are you talking about the stock or the option? Actually, I have both. I would say Palantir wise, I don't have like a crazy amount of shares. There was a point I did. I honestly, I think I only have like two shares on Nvidia right now, or not Nvidia, Palantir. No, I got one share left on Palantir. My average cost is like 27.36. Look at VRME. That thing is running. Hey, good call out, brother B. Spy is annoying today. I mean, it's just moving slow. That's all. But yeah, the spy is like this a lot, honestly. I'm waiting to Friday. If anything, I would roll and invest into a better placement. Yeah, right now at this level, I'm not loving starting a position in Palantir. I feel that Palantir needs to pull back some more as well. But it's like it's one that it's a stock I like, but I think right now it's up on a lot of hype. Hey, my issue with the Amen Skittles 100 on that. Yeah, we're here chilling. I'm almost scared to look at my portfolio now. Oh, I'm not even. Oh, I'm down, but I'm not like down, down, down. Oh, I guess okay. Yeah, I'm still doing all right. This one portfolio is up on still up 17% on the year. It's like a couple days ago, I was like, whenever I saw it was up like 3% on the year, I'm like, oh yeah, we off to a good start. Then Fubo kind of went crazy. I'm like, oh shoot, okay. It had gotten up to like 23% on the year. Now it's at like 17.8% on the year. Okay, let's see. VRME money. This might be a rich year. Honestly, yeah, it's like just the way things are moving. Yeah, dang. VRME. Oh my goodness. Yes, taking off. If I had the day trades, who knows? This account may get to a point where I can make the day trades in it. But hey, just know if it does get there, that's like a four. That's like I'll be at probably like 300% on that. Yeah, but this might be a rich year, bro. I doubled down on RGTI limit order on higher strike price, 21 shares. Let's take a look at RGTI Rigetti again. Yeah, it's like I still like them more. I got an alert at this 482 level, but yeah, I would love them back here at this like sub two level. If they fall there, what is this? Oh. Yeah, Spy looks like it's following this trend line up. Oh, that's a VWAP. Let me get rid of that. Okay. So yeah, now it looks like here, let's go to a 2 minute. Might ride this up today, or yeah, we might ride that. See how Nvidia's consolidating, so nothing going on there. Spy pushing up a little bit. Here, let's check some things before we kind of close out. Let me look at Forex Factory. All right, so nothing till the evening with the uh so you said do I think SPY is breaking out? Let's go out to let's look at on 15. So there is like a little resistance at this. I would say there's resistance kind of at the 59 level, but to an extent, yeah, it has broken out depending on what you're looking at. Because over here, once we kind of got above, this looks like our first complete candle above, but yeah, this candle right here looks like oh, it's kind of breaking out. The strength of the breakout, I don't know what to say about that. We have had the volume kind of decreasing all day, but yeah, I would say if this candle stays above this the next 6 minutes, yeah, that's technically a breakout. All right, let's check our kind of see what's going on here. All right, so Dixie's kind of topping out over here. So if that wants to come down again, oh, that's the 4 hour chart. Let's go to like a 15. So yeah, if this comes down, this would be a reason for the market to go up more. That's the VIX. VIX is coming down. Once again, that would be a reason for the market to come up. TCE trying to sell off. I want to see this get high so I can just buy some easy money calls, but I don't think it's quite in that area yet. And then yeah, just want to take a moment to say as I am getting ready to get off that there is like if you look at the video and scroll down, there is an icon that looks like a thumb on there, little thumbs up. It is known as the like button. It is there for you to press it, and it does enjoy being pressed. Um, yeah, it does enjoy being pressed. And dang, VRME is going crazy. All right, same time, same place. Friday. Have a good day, y'all. Hey, catch you, Skittles. Stay blessed. Stay blessed. Good night, actually, Skittles. Yeah. Sweet dreams. Yeah, VRME taking off. I feel like he called that. Yeah. All right, but y'all, yeah, that's gonna do it for the day. I hope y'all have a blessed day. Y'all be on the lookout for VRME. This is what Brian called off. It's already our brother B called off. This is already kind of taken off. But yeah, yeah, have a blessed day. Matthew Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life. See you next week going to Florida tomorrow. Enjoy your time. Peace out, Brian. Peace out, D community. Peace out, Skittles. Peace out, Mass 3DRC. Peace out, Cassius. Peace out, Mahishu. Lucky J. My life be like. Yeah, y'all have a blessed day. Peace.